Hello viewers, how are you today? Using this customization, you can print your stock journal voucher, same as your sale invoice. First of all, you need to active this features from add-on features option. Now I am alter my stock journal voucher type. Here you can set declaration for your stock journal voucher. Now I am create a stock journal voucher entry. Here you can set party ledger for your voucher. You can also add additional details like sale voucher. I am add some details here. After save this voucher, you can see print preview. It's totally look like sale voucher. Thank you for watching this video. For any information, kindly call us.